Hi, this is a brief tutorial to show you how to use video code and put it into either a lead capture form, a sales page, a floating lead capture form, and Steve, this one's for you. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You sign into your account. And I'm going to use a floating lead capture form. The process is the same, but this just has a few less steps, so it's a little bit easier. And I won't even make one. I'm going to show you how we did this. I just have copies of copies here. If I were to create a new one, I would hit Create New. And I just want to show you though where the video is in this particular tutorial. So I'm going to click on Edit. And it would be the same thing if you were creating new. You'd have the same exact screen in front of you, only it would have no words. You'd have to add them in. Up here under where the navigation is, it says Set Video Location. Here's where you have the choice to either A, use a video from their video library. You can preview their videos. And our videos from My Video Talk are in the process of they're actually on their server, but they're in the process of being put into the library. So you'll also be able to choose the My Video Talk videos. However, if you don't want any video at all, you can say no video. If you want to use your own video from another website, you can use it from a web show. You can use it from YouTube. You can use it from Vimeo. I haven't tried Easy Video Player, but I'm assuming you can use it from there also. But the most important thing to know is that yes, you can use from YouTube, and yes, you can use from your web show. So right here, you're going to tick off, I want to use a video from another website, save changes, and move to next step. A window opens up right here, and that is exactly where you put the code. And let's just pick a random video over here from My Video Talk. This is my YouTube channel. If you don't have your own YouTube channel, you can absolutely use your web show also, or if you have a YouTube and you want to use YouTube, whatever you want to use. And where you pick up the embed code is you come down here to share. This is for YouTube. Click share, you click on embed, and code pops up for you right underneath here. This is a new thing. I don't like it. It takes up your screen. It's something new with YouTube. This is the code right here. I clicked embed. This is the code. If you come back over here, you put that code right in here. And if it's your embed show code, that works also. If you want your video to start automatically, which most people do want, you tick that off. If you don't want it to, then you just untick it. And then you click Save Changes. That's how you get the embed code into any of these pages, whether it be a sales page, lead capture page, floating lead capture page. Very, very simple. And then you can come over here and review it and take a look at it. I'm not going to look at it because I don't even know what it is. But that's also, here's edit code. If you wanted to get this code and put it on one of your websites, you just click Get Code, and this is now the code for your floating lead capture form. The other question that Steve had was how do you get the embed code to put on in a video email or on a website? That's also very, very easy. And Steve, you don't need another system for that. It's all included in this. You come over to Capture Leads, and you're going to click on Embed Opt-in Forms. That's what that is. It's an embed opt-in form. It's the last option down here. I haven't even seen what these are. I have no idea what they are. If you use Aweber, I guess that works with that. But for my purposes, I use this right here. Opt-in form that is embedded right on the page. There's so much functionality in here that none of us have used at all. So someday I will actually look and see what those other things are. But for right now, this is what you're looking for. Click here, and it's going to ask you to create a new form. So you go in here and you create a new form. And what do you want to call it? It's going to say what kind of fields do you want to include in that. It's going to say which autoresponder do you want to send, what do you want to say, etc., etc., etc. But I just want to fast forward to where you actually get that code. And it's very, very simple. And you do not need an outside service. It's included in here. We're going to take a look at one that I already have. My outside opt-in forms. Look at this. There it is. That's it. That's your code. And one thing I just want to point out, you can copy it all, Control A and Control C, and copy it all, and then you go into your video email, and when you're writing your video email, you put this code in there, and it shows up as embed code, and they put their information in, and you've now captured their lead. I just want to point out one thing. You see here it says begin opt-in form. If you can copy the whole thing, but what's going to happen is there's going to be a lot of space in your video email or your website. So what I tend to do is this. Actually, you can't take it out of here. Nope, they won't let you. So what you can do is copy it, open up a notepad, put it in the notepad. It looks like it's an awful lot of code. It makes no sense. But what I do for myself, I don't like spaces, is I take out the end opt-in form and I take out the begin opt-in form, which is all the way on the top, because then there's no spaces. And then I put it up here, and there's my code. And one other thing I want to mention is that now this is just the code. This is going to say name, email, phone if you choose phone, and submit. There's no words over that. So you need to put a title to that. I want to learn more. Help me go video, learn about my video talk. Just write those words in your video email, include this code, and then you're going to see it. So I hope that helps. I'll do a little bit more of an advanced one later on showing you exactly what it looks like. But I'm actually doing this as a response to Steve's emails because I figured it would be easier than writing it. So I hope that you find that helpful, and stay tuned for some more tips. Bye-bye.